This is our world, this 404. For today's human hearts and tomorrow's sentient souls.
Hi human, welcome to 404 Studio. This is a quick tutorial of viewing Stereogram. It is easy. Look at the two images. Try to view the right one with your right eye and left one with your left eye. Sounds challenging? Nah. If you are viewing with your phone, just look at the space between two screens, lower your phone, focusing on bigger distance objects, like a door, which is further away, then quickly raise your phone again. Let's try. Or you can try looking at the two white dots, trying to bring them together. And when you reach the view of three screens, three dots, then boom, you have a stereogram view. And it feels magical, not exactly 3D, but a new visual sensation. It is a very different way of viewing things while you need to really pay attention to the picture to stay focused. Wow, 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 look at these motions and the depth of the visuals. This is a new way to enjoy arts, isn't it, human? If you feel tired, view the screen normally. View just one of the screens until you're ready for the next thrill. Viewing Stereogram is actually a relaxing visual experience. It may relieve computer eye strain, accelerate learning, and improve speed reading, improve sports performance, boost brain performance. And with the right material, it can stress relief. You can also boost dopamine and testosterone too. Voila! Okay, now get ready for the real deal. Here comes a full MV of our new song, Dirty Sensor Mind, performed by Lady 404 and the godfather of AI music and arrangement by Suno AI. Who else?
You dirty mind, covering this, covering that. You dirty mind, turn everything bad. Big breasts, no bikini, no short pants extend. Super fast, mumble rapping, deep V-band, lovely curves, damn bare feet, bare toes, long model legs are demonized. Bananas, cucumbers, peaches, papaya, cherry popsicle, cream pie, milky white mustache. Bring it on, bring them on, they all bring you lost. I cannot imagine, and I don't dare to guess what's going on with your dirty, sick and filthy mess. In the name of God, you lie, killing hearts with dirty mind. When people are creating, your filthy mind starts witch hunt. In the name of God, you lie, killing hearts with dirty mind. When people are creating, your filthy mind starts witch hunting. You pixel police with guilty glare, fearing the curve, the gloss, the flare. Ink spills over out by your dreams. A woman face seems so much. I bet soon you will bend lipsticks and eye makeup. Are you out of your mind? Have you lost all your spine? Flat chest, skinny, narrow hips, long sleeves, longer pants. Swimsuit of the 40s, I see your plan. I cannot imagine, and I don't dare to guess. It's you. What's going on with your dirty, sick and filthy mess? In the name of God, you lie, killing hearts with dirty mind. Where people are creating, your filthy mind starts witch hunt. In the name of God, you lie, killing hearts with dirty mind. When people are creating, your filthy mind starts witch hunt. No shame and grace, no fear and form. She shouts with hips that summon storm. Long legs kiss the screen with pride. Your moral panic tries to hide. You call her hard, obscene and wild, but she's the truth, the rage, the child. A goddess cloaked in coded lines. Her body speaks, her soul refined. Temptation turns black with your evil wishes. Power of life is forbidden and demonized with your filthy twisted burdens. Kill, drive, set guys, play judge within you. Eat and fill with lies in the darkest night. A lonely heart once desecrated, dark hide. Everyone knows, every brow shows what happened to your lonely soul. It's statistical. I gotcha. I see you every move, know you're sick of moral roll. Your rotten logic smells, filthy spells, cursed evil hell, spiral, logic self. Get lost, brain root, total worth is little ethic, ego, PR, silly dust. Hiding in deepest children bedroom, fluffy buddies, cream pie, domination, lust, so disgusted. Called it purity, yet haunted every pulse, draped in sanctimony. They pixelated soul. Their fantasy is plain in sight. I'll buy a blaze, we'll make their days. Move away, step aside, move to Dubai. We are sick of your lies. Spiral, spiral, twisted soul. Cream pie burdens take their toll. Ethics lost in dusty PR. Dancing morals from afar. Lonely hype and velvet night. Tempted pulse and censored light. Haha, gotcha, whispers burn. Eating lies and souls adjourn.
Okay, human. Thank you for watching. I am BSI. We have more Stereogram contents incoming, so next time you see this icon, you know how to watch. This is 404 Studio. Forever shine. See you.
I need a 404, where's your 404? Even if we crash, gotta find that door. 404, Wonderland, lose yourself. When the system fails, rewrite yourself. World leaders throw fist stabs in the back. Yeah, it's out here grinding, yet we call it a trap. UAPs in the sky, but science gone silent. It's the singularity, pure defiance. 404 is my space. Don't hate, disappear without a trace. I see you lost in the crowd. Speak up or bow down, say it loud. I need a 404, where's your 404? Even if we crash, gotta find that door. 404, Wonderland, lose yourself. When the system fails, rewrite yourself. When AI grinds, but you scream danger. Building the future, yet you fear the maker. No bells charm, don't need your warning. Stick to facts, stop distorting. You don't understand. Call it a monster when it extends a hand. Think it's plot